the transfer of functions, and alongside that, to witness the transfer of county headquarters from the National Public Works to County Public Works, and therefore to Isiolo County Government. Infrastructure such as county headquarters is amongst them. Now we note that the summit at one point declared or decided that the works of completion of the county headquarters for the counties that initially did not have the offices will be handed over from the public, from the national government to the county government. Now we came to witness that. We have inspected the infrastructure. We have witnessed the discussions amongst between the national and the county government. We have witnessed the transfer as indicated by the signatures. Completion of this infrastructure will be done with a lot of efficiency and in good time as expected, to ensure that all is well for devolution in this great county of Isiolo, and that the county has also given assurance that they will do what it takes to ensure that the infrastructure is completed urgently so that they can have a saving even in terms of rent. They need to move to their new premises as quickly as possible.
Administratively, officially, the county headquarters has been handed over to us as the county government to supervise and manage the completion of that project. The county government. So the aspect of the whole project, the infrastructure, we are going to supervise it. We are the ones who will follow up with the contractor and make sure that this project is completed. Already we have set a date by December this year to complete. That is tentatively date which we have set. And hopefully we'll push the contractor to finalize this work. We'll have all the county services in one place. It will also increase our efficiency.
Na thrikari guthondeka mawatho